have to assess how much money you have to invest in this project. That's the first. That's the first point.
I always try to get it.
You assess the finances, see what and what you can actually afford. The second would be to check your credit. That's fundamental.
Hi guys, so we're here with Mr. Dave Hanson from JN, and we were just asking him two questions that you guys have asked us. So Mr. Hanson, would you like to introduce yourself?
Certainly. Dave Hanson, my name is Dave Hanson. I'm the branch manager for 3 locations, Catchinall, Falmouth, and Montego Bay. That's Market Street.
Okay. So Mr. Hanson, a question that a lot of returning residents have been asking me is, what solution do you guys have for, as it relates to mortgage financing for returning residents? That's really tailored for them, right?
Okay.
So
well, our mortgage options are basically, we have a suite of mortgage solutions that are designed to meet specific needs, be it construction, be it home purchase. So it kind of depends on the actual need. First, we have a discussion with the prospective client, and we get to understand what their specific need or needs are.
Okay.
From there, we can tailor a solution within our span of suite of products.
Oh, so that means somebody can actually reach out to you and talk to you in relation to their specific needs.
Yeah, man, because we understand that one size may not necessarily fit all. So we have to uniquely serve the customer's needs in terms of what they're looking for, their preferences, their likes, etc. So if you have a conversation around, you don't necessarily know what you want to do, you may have a piece of land in Jamaica and you want to probably develop the land, or you may just want to buy a starter home. So it depends on what the need is. We will tailor a solution specific for that. But in terms of specifics, we offer construction loans, we do offer home equity loans, and we offer loans to actually satisfy residential, commercial purposes.
Oh, okay. And there is somebody that they can actually call and talk to, because the problem that I see they have is that they don't know where to start, right? Can they call you guys, or you want to give them your number, then you put them on to somebody that is assigned to them?
Dave Hanson again is the name. My email address is dhanson@janebank.com. You can also connect with me via WhatsApp or direct call, 876-551-8102.
Okay, so what advice, what's that one advice that you could give somebody who is looking to return to Jamaica and do construction for their home? What's that one advice that you'd give them?
All right, so one thing they need to do is assess their financial capital. So you have to assess how much money you have to invest in this project. That's the first. That's the first point.
I always try to get it.
Assess the finances, see what and what you can actually afford. The second would be to check your credit. That's fundamental. Because if you don't have the resources, financial resources, to offset the construction from your own resources, it means that you're going to have to tap into the resources of a lending institution.
And that's where you guys come in.
Precisely. So those are the two things that you need to assess first. From there, again, we move to step 3, which is to assess your needs. What is it that you want to achieve? Yes, you want to construct, but what's the scale of the construction? Exactly. So that would actually determine the cost factor and the financing factor.
Perfect. So you heard it, guys. You've been asking me to put you on to somebody. There you have it, right? Reach out to Mr. Hanson and he will take care of you, all right? Mr. Hanson, thanks for passing through.
Very much so. Thank you.
Let's make Jamaica, what I'm saying, the US would say make it great again.
Make it great again, yes.
All right? Peace.
Building your dream home should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. But we understand the stress and challenges that often accompany construction projects. At AJAWI Limited, we believe that designing and building your home should be stress-free. Our goal is to eliminate that stress by delivering your projects within budget while exceeding your expectations. What sets us apart is our comprehensive one-stop shop solution. From design to construction, we handle every aspect of your residential project, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Throughout the entire process, we maintain complete transparency. You'll receive real-time updates, allowing you to stay informed and involved every step of the way. With advanced technologies like 360-degree video site inspection, drone survey, and building information modeling, we bridge the distance. Even if you're miles away, we make it as if you're right here in Jamaica. Don't let distance or stress hinder your dream of a perfect home. Contact AJAWI Limited today at 876-312-6036 and take the first step towards making your dream home a reality. AJAWI Limited, your trusted partner in building dreams.